And I'm here today in Sylvia's Fablux Wigs making class, and I have to tell you, it was awesome. With over 12 years in cosmetology experience and wig making by hand, I gotta tell you, after today, learning to make it simplified version of making wigs by Sylvia. Oh my God, she's just the perfect teacher. I love her. Never do hand stitching wigs again unless it's requested and you gotta pay me. But other than that, I love it. I love this. I love this class. Thank you for coming to Toronto, Sylvia. Thank you for bringing your knowledge to us. I appreciate you. We appreciate you. I hope you come again. I hope I can come to your next class, even though today was more than enough. But I probably will come to another class because it's that good. And I want to be advanced in everything that I do. And I want to be excelled. I love it. I love you, Sylvia. Thank you for coming. Thank you one more time.